Hello, Mr. Harper here. I'm going to give a quick demo of how to assemble and hold your trombone. Step 1, your case needs to be safely on the floor. It's not on the floor now because you need to see it, but at home, please put it on the floor, okay? It's too easy for things to fall out. Second, you want to make sure that it's lying down nice and flat on the ground so that you can flick up your latches or unzip. As a rule of thumb, your case will open correctly if the big end, the bell, is on your left. Once that is done, you can flip that open. And then we need to put the instrument together in a very specific order to keep it safe. So the first thing we're going to take out is the trombone slide. If I take out the trombone slide from the end, it's possible that without realizing it, I may just pull this off from this, and then this might fall and get dented. The same might happen to this. So instead of pulling from the curvy end, where you can pull it apart, we should always pull it from the other end. You'll notice that there are two bars. There's one for the inner slide and one for the outer slide. If we hold those together, then it won't come apart. And then we should put it on the ground this way. Putting it on the ground this way may have the same problem where we only hold this end and then that comes off. Safely on the ground that way. Then you're going to have to find your mouthpiece, which may be in a hidden compartment like this one is, or yours may be in plain sight. Then you can put that on the small side. There's a tall and a small side, so put that on the small side. Then very carefully you're going to get your bell, lift that out with your left hand, and you're going to place it on top of the tall end of the slide like this. So you should not have it, there's a few wrong ways to do it. You shouldn't have it flat, so not flat. And you want to make sure that you turn it so that it makes an L shape, like this, okay? So you should be having the mouthpiece on the right and the bell on the left. Looking at you like this. You'll know you've done it wrong. If it goes over your right shoulder. All right, now the grip. We hold it with our left hand mainly, and there's a few contact points that we need to hold. So we use our left hand like this in a pistol gun grip, and we put our thumb in this corner here. Then we reach across and touch the mouthpiece and then wrap our fingers underneath. It looks very simple, but trying to do it can be tricky for some people. So I like to just come in from the left and grab like that. Then when we're holding the trombone slide so we can move it, we pinch it with our thumb and our fingers. Important, we're pinching and we're not doing a big grab like this. So not like this, okay? And if our slide is unlocked, then we can move it. If you try and move it and it doesn't move, it's probably because you've got this thing called a slide lock, which is done. So you can see there it won't move. If I twist it, that will start to move, okay? A few things to avoid. One is having a really high left arm. Another is having it too low, like this. If you have it at a nice V shape, then that's pretty optimal for your left arm, for your wrist, and for your posture. That's it. Watch this as many times as you need to. Practice holding your instrument. It's important to get that right first. Mr. Harper out.